Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Infiniti QX60 in neutral with a dead battery. It's a common issue, but thankfully, there's an easy manual override. You'll need just one simple tool to get your vehicle ready for towing or battery service. This method bypasses the electronic system, allowing you to shift gears even when there's no power. Let's get started and make sure you can move your car safely. First, ensure your parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, look closely at the trim panel around your gear shifter. You'll find a small, often black, plastic cover. This cover is typically located on the front left corner of the gear selector's trim panel, usually near the P and R letters. It's designed to be discreet but accessible for this exact situation. Once you've located the small cover, gently pry it open using your small flathead screwdriver. There's usually a small notch for this purpose. Set the cover aside carefully. Inside the opening, you'll see the shift lock release switch. Insert your screwdriver into this opening and push down firmly on the release button. While holding it down, move your gear selector from park to neutral. After successfully shifting to neutral, remember to keep your foot on the brake pedal, especially if you're on an incline, and ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before releasing the foot brake. This is crucial for safety when the vehicle is in neutral. Once your car is moved, address the dead battery by charging or replacing it as soon as possible. And while you're checking out the description for that link, be sure to look for other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.